Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have a humongous, massive, ultimate, spent way too much money grocery haul. So I did go ahead and I put all the points on each package. These are specific to the Classic Points program from Weight Watchers, so they might vary a little bit. But a lot of these things are still on coupons, so if you were interested, you can probably run to your local Costco and pick them up. I did go to Costco, where else did I go? Costco, Trader Joe's, and like a local produce market. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the things I picked up, all the money that I spent, and it kind of hurt my soul a little bit, but nonetheless they were needed, and you know, you gotta eat to live, right? So all right, I'm gonna jump into this haul, but before I do, if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Danielle, and we do a little bit of everything around here. It's a good time, and we're just family, and we enjoy each other's company. So if you are new, I would encourage you guys to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the notification bell, guys, because YouTube is playing games, and they ain't letting y'all know when my videos go up. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. So first store we're going to go ahead and show you what I got from is Costco. This is just like an overall type of haul, groceries and then like household items. So the first thing I got was some, what is this, fabric softener. This was on coupon. I got some palm olive. This was also on coupon. 2 watermelons, you know, that's like 1 point for 1 cup. I got these Kirkland tortilla chips. For 9 chips is 3 points. They're really good. I like to have them on hand for like company and stuff, but they're really heavy in points. We got some Costco beef hot dogs. For 1 hot dog is 5 points. So basically I usually just keep like some in the freezer just to have on hand, just in case we have like an impromptu barbecue. We got some bacon. For 2 pieces is 2 points. We got some ground beef patties. We're planning on cooking out this weekend. For 1 patty is 8 points. I bought some Colby Jack cheese, and it is 3 points for 1 ounce. I'm going to do like a pasta salad, so I'm going to use half of this, and it was like the better of the buys. And then we'll keep the rest for like hot dog, or for the burgers, or for somebody wanting to eat it. We got this 3-pack of cereal. For the Fruit Loops, for 1 cup is 2 points. I didn't see the scanner. I have to go through and like enter those manually. But yeah, so it's Fruit Loops, Cocoa Krispies, and Apple Jacks. But for the Fruit Loops, 2 points for 1 cup. Get a big box, like 10 pounds of oatmeal because we were out of it. And it is, for 1 cup, is 5 points. These were also on coupon, and I figured I would rather have these and just kind of switch it up from like those little meals I would get and stuff like that. So these are 6 points for the whole chicken sandwich. I didn't think that was too bad. I did get some more of the breakfast chicken sausage. For 3 links is 2 points. These are really, really good. I love these. We did get a box of protein bars, 3 points per protein bar. Got a box of pads, you know, for that's for. And then Leo uses the glucosamine chondroitin, so we picked that up. I did get a pack of ground turkey. This is a 73% lean. I believe it's 4 points for 3 ounces. I'll put it on the screen here, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. We got a box or case of egg whites. For 3 tablespoons is 0 points. Egg whites are a must-have. You have to have those. I got some of this spicy avocado hummus. This is delicious. It is so good. It's not too spicy, but it definitely has a good flavor to it. For 2 tablespoons is 1 point. So good. I bought some of these pizzas for the kids, and you know, whoever. For 1 pizza is 7 points. And then we got these organic fudge bars. For 1 fudge bar is 2 points. Then we went ahead and stopped over at Trader Joe's. This is one of my favorite marinara sauces. It's traditional marinara, so 1 point for half a cup. But if you are like low carb, this has super low carbs. It has 5 net carbs in here and only 3 grams of sugar, so that's pretty good. And for the price, you can't beat it. We used to do Rouse a lot too, and I believe they were about the same carb count, but the price was like $6. I think they were $6 more than this one. So I got 2 of those just for Leo. I got 2 cans of garbanzo beans. I believe it's 2 points for half a cup. I was thinking about doing a garbanzo bean salad, so I picked those up. We got some rosemary because we're going to make a recipe and we want some fresh rosemary. I did pick up the chicken cilantro mini wontons. It is 1 point for 4 of them. They're really, really good. I like to go ahead and put them in this miso ginger broth for 0 points, and it makes like a really good soup. I did get some chicken gyoza pot stickers. So it's 4 points for 7 of them, and they are really tasty as well. I throw these in the air fryer, really good. And then I picked up some of the chicken fried rice for the kids or whatever, and it's actually not too bad. For 1 1/3 cup is 4 points. We got 2 of those. I did get some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. That's my favorite. 1 cup is 1 point. I got some of the seltzer water. Leo likes that. It's gross. And then we just got some extra virgin olive oil. So this is part 2 of the grocery haul. I go and do like my produce shopping at a separate location just because I feel like I can get a better deal at one of the smaller produce markets in our area. So basically what I got this time was these cactus leaves. If you guys watched that latest like barbecue with me, I showed you how we did a cactus salad. This was actually cheaper to get the leaves with the spikes on it, and Leo was just going to take the spikes off. So I got a good amount of those. I don't want to touch them because I don't want to get stuck. I got a bunch of cucumbers. I got a head of cabbage. I got a pineapple for dinner because I'm going to do the same recipe I did in that video with the chicken al pastor. I got some green knob onions. We actually throw these on the grill just like that, and we eat them. And they get really soft and they're really tasty if you want to add them to like your tacos or to your meat. They're really good. I got a bunch of limes because we put that on everything. We put it on our fruit, on our meat. Leo got this pork, these pork steaks for the al pastor sauce. He wants to do it with the pork because he likes it better. I got some celery for Rhea because she likes to have that with her hummus. I got a couple cans of chipotle salsa to go with that recipe. I got a bunch of tomatoes. I got 2 things of blueberries, a fresh thing of cilantro, a bunch of sweet potatoes because I love them. We got these green peppers, and what we do is we slice them down the middle and we fill them with cheese and throw them on the grill. And these are super low carb and they're really, really good. If you guys have Chihuahua cheese, it tastes the best with that. And then on Saturday, I plan on having some adult bevies, and I wanted to do like pina coladas. So I seen this Coco Lopez, and it's really hard to find this in my area. So I picked that up, and then I ran across Streets Target and got a massive thing of toilet paper. So that is the haul.